Hey guys, so today everything that I ordered from Hasbro came in, and I ordered a few dolls, so I'm going to make videos of unboxing them separately. But today I'm going to be unboxing the Face Paint Fairy doll. She's awesome. She's the brunette one too. And I also got the blonde one. Oh, these little things. But they come with these little wings. It's a really cute outfit, and of course the doll. This thing, I'm not sure how to use yet. One diaper, one baby lab diaper, and a cute little sippy cup, which is adorable. So yeah, let's just start opening her. She's so cute. So she's gonna sit with her sister. I haven't named them yet. Stay tuned till the end, and I will tell you guys what I'm naming her. Yeah, so I don't know how to do this, really. Oh, I twist it open. And you put water in here, so I'm gonna open that one. I'm gonna open this one, and I'm gonna refill them and I'll be back. Sorry guys, but I don't really know how to do it, so I just filled it up, kind of. Yeah, now I'm gonna make sure my hands are warm, and you can just wipe it away a little bit. So here, Mia, I'm gonna let you draw on this one. Here you go, hold your baby. Here, sit over here so they can see you. You sit over here, making sure they can see you. I don't know, but she looks adorable. I think I'm gonna change her into a different outfit later, but yeah.
Are you gonna change this doll in a different outfit too?
Yeah. So now for the name reveals. So I'm gonna make these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make these twins. Probably not. But for now, for the name reveals, let's put her little wings on. They look so cute. I'm gonna stick them on this. So I decided to name her Sophia. And then I decided to name her Ava, because she looks like an Ava to me. I don't know. But yeah. So, yeah. I really think these dolls are adorable, and they're so cool because you can, like, draw on their faces. Just this thing doesn't really work too well.
I got something for them.
Okay, yeah. But if you guys know how to use this thing, or if you have this doll and know how to use it, please comment that down below, because I really don't know how to use this. Does it come with instructions? Every baby alive comes with instructions, so I'm guessing it does. I don't know. Anyways, but this is really cool. So yeah. That's it for this video. Yeah. Bye guys.